content?
Yes.
The content. The content is what you're learning. So if you can show me all 3 out of 3, does that mean that you've pretty much mastered it? Absolutely. What if you can show me 2 out of 3?
No. I don't know.
What about 1?
No.
Okay, so we know that we've mastered our content if we have 3 out of 3. Everybody agrees?
Yes.
Okay, so when I say, show me an intersecting line, you can do it on your desk, bam. Show me a perpendicular line, you can do it on your desk and show me, bam. Right?
Yes.
All 3. Okay, not going to have you get out your math books because I think this is going to be a lesson that you can pretty much just pick up in your head because you're very smart. Okay? All right, so the first one we're going to learn is an intersecting line. Does anybody know what the word intersecting means?
What?
Intersecting.
It's like a line that's straight and it's like down and then straight.
No. Good answer, though. Let me tell you this. If I say that the hint for an intersecting line is when you're driving a car and you come to an intersection. Does anybody know what an intersection is? Natalia? An intersection?
Like where two roads, I think they're
Where 2 different, I couldn't hear you.
where 2 different roads meet.
Bam. Where 2 different roads meet. There's usually 2 stop signs or a stop light. Okay?
Is that right? She said that only the blue ones were hers, but that didn't make sense.
I think she took more than 3.
She took an orange. She took an orange.
That's right. We can share.
I can go back. She said only the blue ones were hers, which didn't make sense to me.
That's okay. All right. So an intersection is exactly what Natalia said. It's where 2 roads meet. Okay? So, for example, you're in the car, driving up to the stop sign. Okay? Hopefully, again, you are not driving that car. Stop sign. Another road comes this way. Okay? That's where 2 roads meet. So just by knowing that in your head and using that knowledge, do you think that you could take those 2 fuzzy sticks and show me intersecting lines? Just by thinking of what that definition means, where 2 roads meet. Try it. Put them on your desk, what you think intersecting lines might be, and let me see if you're close. Remember I said at the beginning that all of these are going to contain 2 lines. Remember that? Remember that? Okay? And you break them. Let's see. On your desk, Dylan. Taking them apart. We're not wiring them together. We don't need to do anything as far as twisting them, bending them. We're just laying them. Maybe I didn't make that clear. We're not twisting, bending. Okay? Okay, if your lines look like this, that is an intersecting or intersecting lines. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Hands up the geoboard, please. Where 2 roads meet. But remember, did you see me do this? You're at a stop sign, then another road goes this way. So if you're going this way, and another road goes this way, it's kind of like a plus sign. Yes.
So this is right.
Intersecting means at any point they cross each other. Okay? So that, if it looks like this, if it looks like this, as long as there is an intersection or a crossing of the two anywhere, that is an intersecting line.
But I thought it was only this.
Okay, here's my first question. One, who's the teacher?
I didn't know until you said that until they can cross like this.
Okay.
I thought-
And that also leads me to believe that you were talking while I was talking. Right? Is that what we should not be doing?
I was trying to say you're sitting on.
Okay. So if your lines cross, touching anywhere. So Michael, I'm going to borrow yours. If they're like this, that's intersecting. If they're like this, that's intersecting. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Anywhere that they're touching. That's an intersecting or intersecting line. Any questions on that one? Yes, ma'am.
So they just have to be sort of like the T or but it doesn't matter if it's like that or like that.
Okay, I'm going to answer your question with a question. If I say to you that that intersecting line have to form an angle, does that answer your question? If intersecting lines have to form an angle, show me with your two fuzzy sticks that your intersecting lines can form an angle. Show me your angle.